Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to do a little mirror effect. It's pretty easy, just like in the intro. So let's get right down to it. First thing we're going to do, we're in our edit page. We're going to right click, create new fusion composition. Hit create. We're going to drag that down into our timeline. We're going to click on fusion to jump into our fusion page. We're going to drag down a video here, just something off of Pexels. We're going to connect that to our media out. So now we have our media out. We're going to highlight our media. We're going to come over here and click a text node. Now if that's highlighted, it's going to automatically connect everything for you. So we're going to drag it like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on our text node. We're going to type some text in here, so we're going to stick with the word mirror just because it makes it pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to change our font to Montserrat. We're going to bump up the size of it, make it a little bigger. We're going to click on layout. We're going to take our x-axis and we're going to move it over a little, like so. We're going to click, make sure that text is highlighted. We're going to hit shift space bar and we're going to type drop shadow. And that's what we want right there. We're going to add that. We're going to click on our drop shadow, and it's looking pretty good. You can adjust the strength, like so. I'm going to kind of keep it at default there. The angle of it, the distance, I might bring that in a little bit. It's looking pretty good right there for this case. So now what we're going to do, we're going to duplicate this text node. So we're going to highlight it. We're going to hit Control C on our keyboard. We're going to double click so nothing is highlighted. We're going to hit Control V and paste it. Now we're going to connect this end of it to this here merge node. That's going to create a second merge node. Now what we want to do, we want to click on this text. We want to hit Shift Space Bar again. This time we're going to type transform, and we want to transform XF1. We're going to click on add. Now with the transform node highlighted, over here in this area in our inspector panel, we're going to click this vertical icon. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our y-axis and bring it straight down to about so. That looks pretty good right there. Now with our text highlighted, that's looking pretty good. We're going to click on transform. We're going to go to shear, and our X value, we're going to bump that to the right a little bit, just a little, to give it a little bend there, like so. Now we're going to make sure the text is highlighted. We're going to click right here and add a mask to it, rectangle mask, like so. So you just grab the edge of that to make the mask bigger. You can center it, and once all your word is showing, we're going to bring it up so about half of that word isn't showing. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to bump our soft edge up until all the letters show again. We're going to come down and highlight our merge node. And here we're going to blend it a little. So bump that blend till it looks right to you. And that's really all there is to it. Another easy one. We'll go back over to our edit page, and that's what we have. Pretty simple. Since it was so easy, I'm going to give you a little bonus. We're going to drag another video in here. I'll drag this one of New York in here. We don't need this audio track. I'll unlink it. Highlight it, hit the space bar to get rid of it. We'll bring our playhead over here. So what you can do is come up here to Effects, Open Effects, and click on Search and search for mirrors. So if you search, that'll bring this up. Just drag that right on your clip like so. It's mirrored right now, but it's actually mirrored right down the middle. So what you want to do is come over here to Angle, and you want to put in 90. Hit Enter, and that's what we have. Now you can play with your Y position to bring that down like so. Now if you wanted to, you can actually click on this right here like so. You can bring this picture up. See, it separates from your mirror. Then with that like that, you can come back to your mirror and create something like that. I'm just kind of giving you some ideas of what can be done. There's all kinds of things that can be done just with the mirrors built right into DaVinci Resolve. We can come up here, do a kaleidoscope thing, just play around in here. All kinds of things you can do. So I just thought I would throw that in. But anyway, here's our original mirror composition we made. And there you have it. That's it. Till next time, if you learned anything, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.